makeup look that anyone can do. This is it. Okay, so we're going to take a fluffy brush for first. Actually, we're going to do this bright brown. And then we're going to swirl it. Tap it on the eye all over. It's really pretty. I'm going to show you on both eyes. I'm going to show you how easy it is and how quick. Okay. Once we do that, we're going to blend out the top with a bigger brush and just stamp it or tap it. Period. Now we're going to take a shimmer. I'm just going to use this gold that comes in this palette, because if you have a contouring palette, then it's going to come with these like essential things. So I'm just going to tap it on or swipe it or whatever on my eyelid, which is something that a lot of people do. So I'm just showing you how to get a simple, easy look. And it's okay about getting it in right here, because this is typically where people highlight. And I'm one of those people. Okay, once we have gold all over the lid, now I'm going to go back into my little palette, and I'm going to take me a flat brush like this, and I'm going to use this brown because it's the darkest, and I'm going to just take it, put it on the outer V or outer corner, just stamp it on and drag it down the lash line. Since this is quick and easy, we're not going to use and I'm going to use this brush to make sure everything is blended. Okay. We're going to take a little bit more brown and drag it on the bottom. Put a bit more on the top. Back again with my fluffy brush, making sure everything is blended. And there we go. A very, very easy eye look. Oh, and this face will be my last video, so you can go check it out. I'll probably link it. I'll link it right there somewhere. Okay, so now let me think. I'm just gonna go and do the same thing. I don't even need anything. I don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush, dip it into this brightest brown, swirl it around, bring it around down, you know. Oops, something's in my eye. More. So quick and easy. Gold finger, swirl it, apply, mine's coming off because I'm like rubbing it wrong. If you're someone that uses your finger, I wish I could. Need a brush. I feel like my fingers are big. Okay, so now that that's done, take my flat brush, dip it into the darkest brown, stamp that right on. So pretty and easy. It's crazy. A little bit more. Drag it on the bottom. Take this fluffy brush again, make sure everything is nice and blended out, and boom, There you go. The easiest eye look possible. Now I'm gonna pop on one lash just so you can see how it looks. Just one, because I'm not sure if I want to wear lashes yet. So I'm gonna pop on one lash just to show you how it looks with lashes. And I promise you, once I put this lash on, I'm gonna keep it on because I'm lazy. Might just go ahead and put the other one on. Okay, so this has to dry. I'm gonna take a little brush and fix it up while I wait for it to dry. Oh, if you want to highlight, you can. This look is so simple and easy. Okay. Should be dry enough. I don't know. I'm impatient. I do not. I don't work well with eyelashes. No, I can do anything to my face, but eyelashes. Eyelashes literally excludes that. This eye's watering because I wouldn't do it to this eye. Doesn't even make sense. Okay. It's Cricut eyelashes are my weak point as someone who does makeup. Okay, so this is the look. Phone just fell. This is the look with the lash Cricut hanging off. So, I'd say pretty. Oh, I probably cut the camera off. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna wear lashes, so it's just me showing you what it looks like with the lash on. That was the easiest eye look that anyone can do in probably under 5 minutes, maybe. I don't know. I didn't look at the time. We just one palette, or 2 colors and a shimmer. So I am out. That is that. So this look will be linked. And yeah, thank you for watching.